Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you a website which has hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of work from home jobs available. These are all available remotely, so you can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. It's 100% free to get started with, and I'll share with you the website. I'll walk you through this and I'll show you some of the jobs which are currently available, because there's something pretty much for everyone over on this website. So let's jump over there now. And look, if you found this video useful, please give it a like or drop a comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. So let me share the website with you now. Okay, so this is the website and it's called GitLab.com. Now this website here, you scroll down, you can see they've worked with some of the biggest companies in the world. We've got Goldman Sachs over here, we've got Siemens, Ticketmaster, and many more. And this is the homepage, so you can find out, some information about them on here. But you can see on here, look, basically they've been around for a number of years and they work with all of these huge companies. Now inside of here, if I just scroll down to the bottom, they've got all of these tabs over here. So why GitLab resources, community support, etc, etc. So if we click on here where it says resources and go to all remote, it opens up this tab here, and you can see on here, look, you can join the GitLab team. And basically these are the positions which they have got. So if I scroll down here, you can see this is the company. You can work from absolutely anywhere in the world. Scroll further on the page here, there's more information about this, but you can see there's currently over 1,400 people who work over at this GitLab. You can see we hire all over the world, and there's lots more information on here. But if we click on open positions, click on here, it shows you all of the existing positions, and it shows you up here, look, these are all remote. So if you scroll through here, you can see, look at this up here. If we go all the way down, there's hundreds of jobs on here. Now if I scroll down here, look, you can see we have got jobs in engineering, and it tells you, look, this is customer support. Look, support engineer in customer support. Scroll further down the page here, we're then into development, and it tells you a little bit about this. And then just literally scroll through and have a look to see if there's anything you like the look of. If we come further on the page here, look, we've got down here, we've got G&A, so general accounting, we've got business and technology, we've got CEO, we've got finance, we've got legal, we've got people operations. So look, a manager, look, a remote manager. So basically you go onto any of these and you just click on them. So let's just click on this one here, and it will tell you a little bit more about the role and how it works. So if I scroll down here, don't worry about this, this is just a bit of blurb that they put on here. Come further on the page here, it tells you what you will actually do in the role that you'll be doing. So look here, you can see you will manage the overall people analytics function, delivering analytics and insights on programs that lead to informed decision making within the people group. Bit of a headline, that, isn't it? And then it just tells you all about the job, what you will be doing. And then it also tells you exactly what they're looking for. So you can see on here, this is all of what they would like you to have, or some of this, okay? Come down here, it talks about the hiring process. So you can see, to view the full job description and hiring process, please view our handbook. And then you can also find additional details over on this here, the hiring page here. So if you come down here, look, this is a full link on here, so there's lots of information on here. So, if any part of this doesn't make sense to you, you can simply come in here and, just click on any of these. So let's just click on interviewing, for example, and have a look at this. So how to apply for a position. And again, it just walks you through everything you need to know about this. And obviously it will tell you the rate of pay and lots more inside of here. The other thing I want to tell you about this website over here is not only can you find hundreds of jobs, over on this website, and look, this isn't a side hustle or anything, this is an actual job. And again, look, we've got marketing jobs down here and lots more: marketing, digital design, field marketing, sales development, product management, and all this. So this is an actual proper job that you will be doing online, but remotely, so you can do this from home. If I come over here, they've also got, I just want to share this with you, if I come down to, so we've got resources, training. If you come down here and click on training, they've got lots of courses. So look, GitLab training and resources guide. So let me just get rid of that. Come down here, look, they've got all of these training and supports down here. Come down here, look, you can learn new skills whilst working with GitLab. So if I come further on the page here, they tell you more about, the different things that are available over on this website. So look, All Remote, how one of the world's largest all remote companies manages teams and workflows, and literally you just click on here and it will tell you about this. So you can find lots more information on here. They've got many videos on here, so you can go ahead and have a look at this. This one here, this 12-minute one, it just gives you an overview of the platform, the different services, the different companies that they're working with, and literally there's quite a few videos in here. I mean, this video over here, this why work remotely, this is a pretty good video. It goes, it goes over the benefits of working remotely and what you can expect. There's also links here over to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So there's lots going on over on this page. But look, if you are looking for, an opportunity to potentially work from home remotely, this website here, as you can see, there's hundreds of jobs on here. So literally just come over to this website. It's called GitLab. In fact, let me just click on here so you can see. And just go to the home page. It's called about.gitlab.com. So come over here, scroll down to the bottom, go over to the job section here, and literally just scroll through, have a look, and see if there's anything you like the look of. When you do so, you just find one that you like and then just click on it. So for example, this one here, you'd click on here, and then again, they have this up here on the same on everyone. But if you come down here, you can see responsibilities or what is required from you. It tells you all this here. Requirements, so what they would like from you, and then basically the hiring process and how you can apply for the job. But that is today's video. This is one website that you can use to go ahead and find working remote jobs from home. Now, if you like the idea of making money online but you don't want a proper job, come over to my blog, Not Taught at School. I've got hundreds of articles on here, whether it is, earning online, whether you want affiliate marketing, YouTube, and lots more. I've also got free courses, and I'll drop links to all of those down below for you, because look, earning online and from home, you can do this part-time, you can do it full-time, you can do it as a simple side hustle, or over time it can progress into something a bit more full-time from you. There's so many different ways that you can earn online and from home, and as I've mentioned over here, if you click on earn online, you'll find lots of articles. I've also got an interview series and also a membership area. So look, that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and let me know. And lastly, it's called about.gitlab.com. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.